next is the partial combined system. So what is this partial combined system? As the name suggests, it is been partially combined. So where it is combined, how it is combined, what it is being combined. So that is what the question usually name as the small doubts arises in our work, as the name indicates. So in this partially combined system, where in the partial combined system, where there is only one set of the underground sewer system is there. So in this sewers which is being laid, and these sewers are being admit the fouls where there is consist of the where consist of the foul smell. So as well as the where there is an washing. So and it is been washing by the rainwater. As soon as the quantity of the storm water exceeds a certain limit, the storm water overflows, and it has been collected and conveyed in the open drains to natural streams. The foul sewage, however, continues to the flows in the sewers. So that's what the partial combined system. So apart there is some advantages as well as the disadvantages in this partially combined systems, and there is a governing some of the governing factors also there in this partially combined systems. So what is this governing factor for this partially combined system is the one is the financial aspect, another is the flat topography. In the financial aspect, it is sufficient funds are being not available in the beginning. The sewers may be constructed to carry only the domestic sewage, where the rainwater may be conveyed to open drains, and these drains can be converted into a regular sewers later when the sufficient funds are being available. So that's what the financial aspect. Next is the flat topography. The sewers will have the laid in the depth to achieve the reasonable gradient. Under such circumstances, separate sewers are combined or partially combined sewers are being more required. So these are the factors which has been considered. And first later we'll see about some of the advantage as well as the disadvantage of this partially combined systems. What is this advantage is the sewers are being reasonable size. Their cleanings is therefore it is not very such a difficult thing. That is one of the advantage. Second disadvantage is it combines the advantage of both separate as well as the combined system. It is a combination. It is a combination of separate as well as the combined system. Next is third is the stormwater permitted in the sewers, which eliminates its chances of choking, and sewers have been completely cleaned during rainy seasons. And last advantage is the problem of disposing of the storm water from the houses is being very simplified. That's the advantage. Next we will see the disadvantage. During the dry weather there is no rainwater, the velocity of the flow will be very, very low, thus self-releasing velocity may be achieved. The stormwater increase the load on the treatment unit. Stormwater also increases the cost of the pumping. So these are the disadvantages of this partially combined system.